Merry Christmas, everyone. We are back doing another vlog. We are heading to the Santa party down at my parents' house. It's a new annual tradition that my parents do at their house where we get a special visitor that comes in and visits us. It's Santa Claus, but the kids love seeing Santa, tell them what they want for Christmas. We get to see family, all that stuff. This is our first Christmas video of the season, which is kind of crazy because I've been doing a lot more cooking videos and stuff. I don't know if you've noticed, but we had our first video ever on our channel hit 500,000 views, which is insane. The fudge video I posted 4 years ago just to share with family before I even started doing YouTube consistently just takes off every December. I guess a lot of people are making fudge for Christmas. If you want to see that video, go check it out in the card on one of the sides. I don't know where it's at, or I'll link it down in the description, or just go to our channel and search videos and then sort by most viewed. It's going to be on the very top because it's got the most views on the channel. And while you're there, you might as well subscribe to the channel as well. But we are headed down to my parents' house. Right now we just have Carter, and you guys have not seen Carter in a while. So I'm going to see. Let's say hi to him. Hi. Carter's going to be 1 in just a few weeks, which is insane. Can you believe it? You're going to be 1? Oh my gosh. You're the cutest. And he's super close to walking. We're heading to Hawaii in February, and I think, hold on, it's all screwed up. Hit the buttons. I wouldn't be surprised if he's walking by the time we go to Hawaii in February. He's this close to walking. He stands on his own, but he just needs to get that confidence to take that next step, and he will be there in no time. Him and Cody are similar. Cody started walking right after he turned 1. So he was the earliest, and I think that Carter wants to keep up with the 4 older siblings, which, do you blame him? I mean, trying to keep up with those crazy kids is something else. Anyways, I have not talked this long in a video in a while, so I'm getting tired, getting old. Melissa turns 31 tomorrow, and then I turn 31 after Christmas on the 27th. So, busy month ahead of us, but I hope you guys all have a Merry Christmas and enjoy this Santa video. It's gonna be a short one, but just kind of gonna show you all the fun we're having. I'm gonna use my lighting kit that I bought on Amazon, which I will link down in the description as well, because my parents' house has horrible lighting, and I want some high quality. Really, timer? I'm making tea and the tea's ready. Anyways, I want to have some higher quality pictures and videos because it's crazy what lighting can do. But anyways, we will see you guys there. Who's here, guys?
Oh, Mrs. Claus and Santa.
How are you?
Oh, hello.
Mrs. Claus had you.
Hi, Santa. Can you believe it, Carson? He even has a bag of toys.
Professional with the photos this year.
Robux, but you know, it's too expensive. So I just want a Roblox for it. Roblox.
Roblox. Get it right, Sal.
Hi. Hi there. Hi, Carter.
Yeah.
Go in.
Who wants to sit on Grandma Santa's?
Go for it, Taylor.
You do.
Come on.
I want to wake up that little
Look it.
We'll do pictures later. Let's
Look
get
it.
Let's
Look.
get that.
Oh,
There's
there's myself. Carson. Carson.
Wow. You gonna open it, Carson?
Xander?
Cody, really? Look at the mess Cody's making.
I have five boxes. I have 2 ginormous boxes.
Yay, Cooper!
Why did Santa know that we love him?
Wow!
These are
Look what you got, Carter. Rudolph.
so cute.
Oh, you want my phone? Really? Cooper, what'd you get? What'd you get? A racetrack? So cool. What'd you get, Carson? Awesome. What did you get, Chloe? Come here. Come show me what you got.
Wow.
What did you get?
Is that Nurse?
What'd you get?
Barbie?
Wow.
Oh. So nice.
My photography setup. for portraits.
Sir, can I play a Captain America?
Picture time with Santa. Drama. Chloe, are you having fun? Yeah, what did you ask Santa for Christmas?
For a Barbie.
For a Barbie? Didn't you already get a Barbie?
A Barbie girl.
Oh, the Barbie that goes in the bathtub? Oh my gosh. What'd you do to your nose? What happened? Oh, the calendar fell on your nose? Ouch. Let everyone give it a kiss. Ready? Good luck, Santa.
But face this way. Nolan, face this way.
All children with Santa.
Face this way.
Go all the way to Santa. Success. Yeah. Carson, did you have fun at the Santa party? Yeah. You like Christmas time? Yeah. Want to say anything else? Yeah. Christmas party is over. Time to head home after another successful year. Cooper fed. You're probably gonna find food inside of this guy for a while. Chloe, did you have a fun Christmas party? Did you have a fun Christmas party? Yeah? Okay, why don't you guys say bye and Merry Christmas? Bye. Say bye to the video. Bye. Chloe.
Bye, Carson.
Say bye.
Bye.
What else do you have to say?
We'll see you guys this weekend.
Subscribe.
Thanks for watching. Bye.
Bye.